Imagine you came to office on Monday and you saw there are hundreds of email in your inbox waiting for you to read. And to be honest, it would be a waste of time if you are going through all those emails, and even let's say you give half a minute to an email, your entire hour is gone. And in this video, I am going to talk about how we can come out of some situation, because let's say 80% of email are of FYI or maybe of low priority, but most of the time, we need to focus on those 20% of emails that either are directed toward you, or maybe some of them could be priority or high priority email that again you want to take care of. So in this video, you will learn how we can create rules inside Outlook such that we can also do filtering out high priority so that I can see them at once. So for that, first of all, here I have created this folder, which is very easy. Let me quickly show you how you can. And make a right click, and now here I'm gonna say create new subfolder. Now I'm gonna say PRIT. Alright, now let's select the email. Now I am going to make a right click on it, and then there is an option named as rules. So let's click on create rule. Now it says always move messages from Pritham to this folder, and now I am deciding which folder it is. So since I have created my own folder, I'm gonna select this option which says select a different folder. Now here also you have got option to create new folder, but since I already have, so I'm gonna choose this particular one. Now let's click on move. Now let's click on more option, and I would like to run this for my existing email as well. For that, I'm gonna enable this option which says run rule now. So let's click here on save. And now let's again click on run rule now, and everything looks good. Now let's close this. Now let me go here in this folder, and you can see that all my messages that came from this particular email address or from this person is now filtered out to this particular folder, which is really great. So in this way, guys, we can filter out emails such that we focus on those emails that are of high priority for me. Now this time I am going to take another example of low priority email, which is let's say from this particular email address. Now I'm gonna again make a right click, go to rules, create rule, and now this time I'm gonna say create new folder, and here is the name which is Microsoft. Alright, now let's click again on more option, and let's also enable this option which says run rule now. Now let's click on save, and rule is running, and you can see that in just one click we have all the emails that came from Microsoft account team. So in this way, guys, we can see how easy it is to filter out emails. Now even when you receive new email, you will see that those emails will be automatically moved to these new folders. So in this way, guys, with the help of rules, you can efficiently manage your inbox, focusing on the emails that really matters. And that's all, guys, from my side in this one. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such office productivity related content, and I will see you around in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.